How to fix high pings and latency in Valorant. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you some of the basic troubleshooting steps if you are facing any high pings or latency in your Valorant game. So here are some of the steps that you can try. So the first thing that you can try is monitor the network activity of your PC. So you can do so by simply opening the task manager or pressing the Control Shift and the Escape key, and you will open the task manager right here. Now from here you can check for the network consumption and especially check if any particular process is consuming a lot of network. So if you find any particular process that is consuming a lot of network, simply right click onto that process and end that particular process. And especially if that process is related to Riot or any Valorant clients. Now, if you are done with this and still you are facing a lot of errors, so you can also do some basic troubleshooting like verifying your Wi-Fi or router speed, your internet connection, or any other issues, and especially resetting your Wi-Fi router as well. Also, you can check for your Wi-Fi driver by right clicking onto the search bar and typing in device manager. Now, simply open the device manager, and within the device manager, you can click onto this drop down arrow of network adapters and then right click onto your Wi-Fi LAN card or your Ethernet card as well. Then click onto the properties and go to the advanced option, and from here make sure that you have selected the prefer band as prefer 5 GHz if your router supports dual band output. Then for the transmit power level, choose it to highest as well and then click onto the OK. So these are some of the basic troubleshooting methods. I hope these would have resolved your issue. If not, you can go to the advanced guide and also write to the customer care at Valorant as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.